Good morning, welcome to SouthernCrossGO. Now, just down at the beach, right at Padma, just about. Got Lucy for a run. Just going to check the beach out, and I've got to meet a guy here at Lucy Warong this morning. He's a viewer, and he wants to meet up and interview. Come on, Lucy, Lucy. So we'll see who's down here. I don't know what he looks like, I don't know who he is, so we'll see if we can find him. Hey mate, how are you?
Good mate, nice to meet you.
Jeremy the Mad Butcher. Look out. You're a lot younger than what I pictured. I thought you were a crusty old butcher, like in your 60s like me.
I am a crusty old butcher.
Yeah.
Right. 50s.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. So what's this? You got a bad leg, mate?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, I've got a disease, HSP.
Oh, yeah?
Hereditary spastic paraplegia.
Alright.
Just catch your legs.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. It's all good, mate.
Yeah.
Right. So you just got to keep moving. That's why I come over here, warm weather.
Yeah?
Bit cold.
Oh, like you get arthritis sort of thing?
Yeah, it knocks me around in the winter.
Yeah, right.
Come out here. Yeah, come out here 4 months.
Alright.
Yeah.
So Jeremy's been a viewer of mine for a long time.
Yeah.
And he's here in Bali. How long are you for, mate?
4 months, mate.
4 months?
Yeah, go home when summer comes back.
Alright, well that's the best way to do it.
It is.
I know a lot of mates that come, they do 6 months here, 6 months in Australia, you know, and that seems to work it. They go back for the good weather and do a bit of work and whatever, and then come back here for 6 months,
Yeah, that's what we do, so it's
Yeah. So you always stay around this area, do
we
you?
travel around, we go on a scooter and we go up to Lavina, travel around everywhere, around the missus.
Alright. Oh, you with your missus?
Yeah, she's at the villa, so we just travel around, mate.
Yeah, they like sleeping in women, don't they?
They do.
They're lazy bloody things, don't they?
Yeah, mate. In our work, we're up early, so.
Yeah, right. So you're where are you from in Australia?
Goulburn.
Goulburn, way out there.
Yeah, the big marina.
Oh, it would be freezing out there in winter, wouldn't it?
Oh, mate, it's freezing there. Gets down to -5s and 6s. Yeah,
-5.
Yeah.
Wow.
Too cold, so that's why we come here.
Yeah, right. Thank you. All right, got a coffee. Wow, it's a big coffee. Get a biggie. We're at Lucy Warong. Yeah. Yeah, right on the beach at the end of Jalan Pantai. Yeah. So how many years have you been doing this, coming back and forth?
Oh, about 6.
6?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, so you know the place well.
Yeah.
You always stay on this side, or?
Oh, we travel around.
Yeah, right.
We go around. We sponsor a couple of kids up at Lavina, twin boys to go
All
to
right.
school.
Yeah.
Yeah, they go to, so we've been sponsoring them for years.
All right.
Tinga Village.
All right.
Me missus, she sponsors a couple of girls north of Sanua, a village up there. So we just travel right around. Right around Bali. Nearly all the time we ride around.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So you've got your own butcher shop?
Yeah.
Right?
I've had my
So what do you do when you're gone? You got someone just running it for
I've
you?
got manager there, my young bloke, he's a butcher too.
All right.
Yeah, he runs it when we're away.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Is he selling a few sausages on the side, mate?
No, he probably is. Yeah, no, he's a butcher, so he'd be up to something. But no, the shop goes good.
Yeah, right.
We're lucky with that. So we've been doing a long time.
So what area are you in Australia?
In Goulburn.
Oh, that's right. You said
Big
Goulburn,
marina,
that's right.
where the big sheep is.
Oh,
So,
right.
Yeah, we're there. So yeah, it's a good shop. Very lucky.
Right, because when I was a kid, there was a butcher shop, a veggie shop. Now, like Woolies and Coles are taking all that shit over. Have they affected you in that area? Or?
Oh, not really. It was tough at the start. COVID really hooked us.
Yeah, right.
So they were running out of meat.
Oh, right, I get it.
Kept having meat.
You had your local supplier.
Yeah, and a lot more people come and had to try it.
Right.
Said this tastes better than the supermarket meat.
Right.
It's in the paddock one week and it's in the butcher.
Yeah.
We get all our stuff fresh. We grow our cattle. I've got Angus.
Oh, right.
Them and
All right, so you got a farm out there?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, it's good. We get away with that. So, yeah.
All right. Real good stuff, eh?
Yeah. The butchering trade, it's tough at the moment. Prices have gone up.
Right.
Everything goes going up. Yeah, no, we've got a good clientele and good customers. A couple of businesses we serve, restaurants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So while you're here, do you like rent a permanent sort of room for the 6 months or whatever?
No, we just travel around.
In hotels and
just
stuff?
hotels. We're at Banks and Suites at the moment, just over the road from the 108 bar.
All right.
We're only there for a couple of weeks and then we'll just travel around.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah,
So you're going to head up to Lavina? And,
yeah, we'll head up to Lavina.
It's nice up there, it's quiet,
Yeah,
you know.
it is, it's quiet.
If you want to relax, that's a good place to
We
go.
go up there for a couple of weeks and just chill out.
Yeah, I don't mind it up there.
It's good, see the boys.
A lot of the old expats from here, like been here a long time, you know, like they get sick of the south and they head up north up there, you know. There's a few expats up there.
Oh, yeah. No, we like just riding around, just getting on the bike and going.
Yeah.
Freedom of it. And,
Yeah.
It's good. It's probably, you know, people ask me what's the best thing over there you like doing. I said, just getting on the bike and going.
Yeah.
Swinging it.
Yeah, we do it a lot in the dry season. The wet season, it's a bit touch and go. You don't want to travel or it might piss down. So, I mean, we used to do a lot of 2 or 3 night little getaways and just take off, you know, and just, if we come back, because you can come back in a day if you want.
Well,
it doesn't matter. So
we stayed at Uluwatu a couple of years ago, and we went up and seen the boys. We rode up there today and come home that night.
Yeah, right.
One day.
Yeah, well, it's just there.
It's only 3 hours. You know, I ride bikes all the time. I've got bikes at home.
Yeah.
People say you're mad, and it's not that far. You know, it's good.
Yeah, it's just the traffic.
Yeah.
It's about it. It's not. Well, even going to Lavina, it's only like 80 k's or something.
Yeah.
And it used to take you like an hour and a half years ago. Now it takes you like 3 hours in the traffic. You know?
It's pretty good, you know. We love it. So that's good fun.
Yeah.
No, we love it over here, mate. It's like second home to us, and come and enjoy it and just chill.
Yeah.
Kids are coming over in September for 6 weeks.
Right.
Yeah, my son-in-law and daughter and 2 grandgirls. So they'll come over and we'll chill out. Yeah. Good fun.
No, that's good. Looks like you got it sorted, mate.
Oh, well, I hope so. I don't know what I have. I just wing it day by day.
Yeah, well, that's the way to do it, isn't it? No plans, you know.
No, we don't, mate.
Because there's no, like in Australia, you got to be at work and you're looking forward to the weekend. Here, it's like every day's a weekend.
That's right. You know,
and
like
Saturday, Sunday doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You know?
I don't look at the time. Don't look at the day. Just get up and go. You know.
Yeah.
It's good fun. I love it. Great fun.
All right. So Lucy Warong coffee. Get a big cup. We get a little water. I don't know what that's for. Like a shot glass of water. A little cookie, which is probably too sweet for me. You like biscuits? I'm a diabetic. Can't eat it. So. All right. Good coffee, actually. Yeah. All right, Jeremy. Well, it's been really nice to meet you. All right.
Thanks, mate, for that. All the best.
Yeah. And I'm sure I'll see you around the traps, yeah?
Definitely, mate.
All right, no worries.
See you, mate.
All right, so thanks a lot, Jeremy. He's brought me a T-shirt and I've swapped him a Southern Cross shirt. Bag of licorice. Thanks, mate. You're a legend. And one of his stickers. So if you're ever in Goulburn, Heritage Country Meats Butcher Shop. Thanks, mate. Okay, so that was good meeting up with Jeremy. Very nice bloke. And we're going to get Lucy on the bike. Head off home. What do you reckon, Luce? Hey? Anyway, if you like this type of video, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that, subscribe. See you on the next video.